Hi and welcome to today's session on averages and range from histograms. So we're going to be looking to calculate our averages, our mean, mode, median, and also we're going to be calculating our range. So first of all, we're going to be looking at our range. So here we've got a table, our histogram, and our range is quite simply our biggest take away smallest, so 150, take away 95, our biggest value and smallest value, and then that gives me a range of 55. Now next we're going to be looking at our mode, but our mode is known as the modal class or the modal group. So this is our tallest bar. Look for whichever bar is the highest. So our modal class is 95 to 100. Now we're going to be looking at our estimated median. Now we've got the same problem. First thing that we need to do is find the frequencies of each bar, and to do that we are going to be taking our frequency density and multiplying that by our class interval width. So we got 8, which is 1.6 times our interval of 5, 8, 12 and 2. Now I'm going to add these together, that gives me 35. To find my median position is going to be the amount of my values added to plus 1 and then halved. So 35 frequencies all in all, plus 1 and then halved, that gives me a median position of 18. Now I'm using a bit of cumulative frequency here, so successive adding. So starting from 0, my next value is 8 because up until here I've got 8. Next is 13 because here I've got up to 13, 8 plus 5, and then up to here I've got 21, which is my 8 plus 13. That means my 18th position must be within this class interval here. So if I was asked for which class interval the median was in, I would say 105 to 115. But I'm going to take this one step further to actually calculate my median. So first thing I'm going to do is take away my 18 from my 13 because I'm looking for 5 inside of this. My class interval width is 10 from 105 to 115. So I'm going to divide my 5 by my 8 times by my 10, which gives me 6.25. That's because within this frequency, I'm looking for 5 eighths within this time interval of 10 seconds. So that gives me 6.25 seconds. Adding that to my 105, that gives me 111.25 seconds, and that is my estimated median. Now I'm going to be looking at my estimated mean, but to do this I'm going to have to be using the midpoints. So yet again, I've got the same chart with my frequencies worked out that we did prior. So I'm going to be working with this table. So each one of my midpoints is going to be used. Now, as you can see, I've started at the top because these are my midpoints. From these, I could actually create a frequency polygon also. So I've taken my midpoints and I've multiplied them by my frequency. So here I've got 97.5 and I've multiplied that by 8 to give me 780. So here's my grand total of all of my frequency multiplied by my midpoints, which gives me 3,922.5. So my estimated mean is going to be my values added together, which is going to then divide by how many I've got, in which case I've got 35 frequencies. So all in all, that gives me a grand total of 112.1 seconds to 1 decimal place. And that's my estimated mean. If you like what you see, please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.